Yo, what's the word? It's your boy 16. If you like the content on this channel, I want to ask you to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to click that bell for post notifications. Also, I got a website at www.16shotonvisuals.com. But that's enough of me talking. Let's get to what y'all came to see. So, you know, when you gonna drop some music, you know, motherfucker been on your ass about that shit. You don't got no dates, nothing like that.
I got some shit. I'm trying to see which one I'm gonna drop first. I'm talking to the cameraman and everything, like right now. Cause I got another interview I have to do with this nigga. So I'm working on this song right now. By the time we get ready to drop these shit, I already have this video probably in the works. You know?
For sure.
This is like perfect time. Everything.
So is there anybody you looked up to growing up?
Looked up to. I really looked up to. I just seen some niggas do some wrong shit.
What was the reason behind that as far as like not looking up to nobody? Like, was there nobody around that you felt?
Like, cause younger, I felt like I ain't need nobody. I was running my bridges with everybody. But as I got older, I was like, yeah, ain't no wrong with networking. That's how you gonna get the money.
For
You
sure.
stay wanna be in two with niggas and rob everybody. You ain't even far. So when I got out, I started networking and shit. I used to too good. You know? And 16%.
So do you got any like crazy stories? It don't even gotta be crazy. Anything like funny, some shit as far as like the block type shit, anything.
And never funny as hell that day.
Like I seen y'all had the crate challenge going on, shit like that.
Shit, I was in jail.
Damn.
But yeah, I seen them when I got out. I'm supposed to be busting these shit. Yeah, right crazy. Shit, it's a lot of people, so you get a lot of different type of energies.
Yeah.
That shit kind of fun. But it be boring as hell, there ain't no hoes out.
What y'all beef with the birds and shit? Cause last time I was out there, the birds was sliding on top, getting they on bullshit with them, motherfuckers smacking them with bottles and shit. It looked like y'all was going back and forth, them bitches, them big ass seagulls.
All the birds.
Hell yeah, I don't know if you seen that shit.
All the birds.
Some of our birds.
Them bitches vultures.
Yeah, I seen that shit.
They smack them bitches with the bottle.
Them bitches aggressive.
No, they be shitting on motherfuckers, pissing on motherfuckers. Them birds ain't shit.
So can you speak on like your relationship with Jaydo? Because a lot of people, you know, when they bring up you, they bring him up too.
Hey, that's my dog.
For sure.
Yeah, my brother.
So y'all not related either? It's like a homie type shit?
Yeah.
I did
Well, shit. But a lot of us blood will make us closer because we all like this.
Yeah.
Yeah,
What you were saying? I did an interview with Box and asked him about him. He basically was saying like he was like the brains and like the muscle type shit as far as like his generation.
Yeah, it's like this.
Yeah.
Like if we got something going on, it'd be like, alright, me and him. You know?
Yeah.
I ain't just gonna do some shit without letting folks know. He ain't just gonna do some shit without letting me know. Cause we got that type of bond.
So you know, with y'all being so close and losing him, like how do you cope with shit like that? Like is this a certain thing you do to cope with deaths, or just take it day by day, or?
Shit. I'm kinda used to it now. I'm saying a lot more after that. So shit.
What would be like the first death that you remember that really like fucked you up, where you wasn't used to that type of shit?
First death, my first death that I really felt on really street though. It wasn't a really street death.
You said it wasn't?
Yeah.
Yeah. Like family type shit? Or family?
Yeah, my cousin, she had cancer and shit. Shit was cool as hell.
Yeah.
She had cocked out off the cancer and shit. I was like 8. I wasn't even in the field and shit like that.
Yeah. Another thing I seen that went viral is like, I think Fendi Boy or some shit said he was chasing you at a gas station. I don't know if there's any truth to that.